Look at them. They can be alone. Look, sparing and look at putting his smell on me. So I need 3 months. Oh, Canelo. It's unbelievable. When you have this type of cats, you need to be careful. Don't leave him alone. Look at him. Look at him. He's coming back. Look at, he need the company all the time. When I try to sleep last night, always on me, always. There's no way to remove it. There's no way to teach him to do that and they start crying if you leave it alone. Canelito. Canelo like the box. Look at him. See? This type of breed of cat. Look at him. They need company all the time. And they have allergies all the time. They need to be careful with the food too. So, this is Canelo. 3 months old. See? You need to be close to the human being all the time. Yeah, say hi. Yes. Where you going? I'm going to read now before I go to work. I love to do that. Feel my pain. Look at this kid. Hola. Hi. Here he comes again. All day the days when he sees me. Sparing. See you soon.